Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to either turn on or turn off the Google Chrome automatic downloading a file features, so this can become a security issue, of course, for many obvious reasons. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung three dot icon na to. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down. And then select lang natin dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, ang next step ay scroll down ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung site settings. So dito sa right side, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down. And then dito lang sa additional permissions dito sa right side. So i-click mo lang tong icon na to. And then ang next step ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung automatic downloads. So sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. So dito sa right side, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung default behavior. Kung paano ba natin enable or disable yung automatic downloads. So dito ay madalawang action settings. Yung pinakauna, ito yung sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. So ibig sabihin dito ay naka-enable siya kapag naka-select ito. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so don't allow sites to automatically. So select mo lang siya. So ibig sabihin naka-disable siya. So ganito lang siya. Napakadali lang mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun na po kasimple on how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Google Chrome. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.